Hello everyone, Von Marie here and welcome to the Scrappiness channel. We're going to make some heart balloon shakers today, and this is going to be a fun card, and I thought we would use the Clouds and Grass stencil. It's a 2-pack and my favorite stamp set there, Happy Day stamp, and look at all these pretty Valentine embellishments. We're not going to use all of those, but it will be hard choosing which ones to use, and so I'm going to get started ink blending the stencils here, and it's my first time using them, so hopefully I will learn them and get better at using them. But for now I'm going to use the cloud stencil, and I think it looks fine. I just wanted a quick clouds and grass background. I haven't made one of those in a while. And I'm using my favorite glitter blending brushes today, and I'm just going to be ink blending some quick and easy clouds with some Salvage Patina Distress Oxide ink. And then I will switch to using the grass stencil with Mode Lawn Distress Oxide ink, and I had so much fun making this card. And I'm just using simple white cardstock, and I believe it's 110 pounds. And just quickly finishing my clouds. I wanted to use this rectangle die today, and it's from the Embossed Edge rectangle dies, and I will probably be doing a portrait. And now I will be using the grass stencil. And so I did the grass both ways, and probably next time I would just put it just like this, the way I have it now, but it's okay. I'm going to be cutting out my background with the die, so it won't matter too much. And now it's time to get out my heart, and that's my chamois. I'm going to clean. And now it's time to get out my heart balloons, and it's my first time using them. I'm also going to be using that pattern paper today and some colored cardstock. And I love that you get the top part and the bottom for this shaker, so it makes it easy to make your shakers, and then you can add them to your card. And I will be using some packaging for my stash, for my acetate, and 1/4-inch foam strips. And so I'm just going to use my tool and poke out that balloon. And then that's the piece that you will get, the negative piece. But I'm going to cut it out, the bottom there, for my shaker. And you can use that heart and put it aside and add it to your project. I will add one of them to my heart balloons just for fun. And so I like that you get those heart dies, because we always need small hearts, I think, for Valentine cards. So now I'm going to put my balloon together. So I'm going to be I'll be adding the foam tape, and I'll do a double, like go over it again, so it'll be double for a barrier for my shaker bits. And I do have to push it in a little bit because it sticks out. So I wish I had a smaller foam tape, but 1/4-inch is the smallest I have. And then so I will add that second layer, and then I will add my embellishments, which would be passion pink dots. And I'm using my shaker tool and or static tool, and so passion pink dots, and then I'll add some, let me see what I'll add next, some pink shaker tinsel, and then I will use some love, what is it? Be Mine sprinkles. And I will have these all listed in the details. And then I'm going to add some sherbet heart sprinkles, and I'm just going to add the pink ones and some that look like pink, maybe orange. And then I will put some liquid glue and then add the backing. And push it down, and then I may need to cut some of my foam tape a little bit, or foam strip. And so pretty simple. I think just the foam strip that I was using was the most difficult. So, and it shakes, so really cute. Now I will do the big heart balloon, and I'm using the solid pink for that from the same pattern paper, and then I'll be adding some metallic red shaker tinsel. And then some of the other ones are the same. Cupid love dots, I believe I will add. And I love the dots because they do shake and you can hear them. So those are always fun. And then some more sherbet heart sprinkles. And I will add the top there, and that finishes my 2 balloons. So I think they were really easy, and I did add that heart there as you see the red. And next I will stamp my sentiment, I believe. Stamp and heat emboss my sentiment, and that will be from the Happy Day stamp. And I'm just going to be, they both shake, yay! So I'm going to be using my stamping platform after I cut that out. And I like that you can just build a sentiment with all these words here, and I'm going to test it out on some acetate first. And my ink's a little dry, and I've been meaning to refill it, but I haven't. But a few times there, and we're good to go. And I like how that came out, and so I will stamp it, and then I will heat emboss it with some clear embossing powder using my heat tool. And then I will just glue my heart balloons. And the last thing, I will embellish with some dots. And so heating it there. So I think this card came together really quick and easy. And of course I had no plan what I was doing, but I think it looks cute, and I will have to make some more cards using those heart balloons. And Cat Scrappiness has a lot of a lot of Halloween too, but a lot of Valentine products. So make sure and tune in. We also have a giveaway going on both Instagram and YouTube. So you can win a $15 gift card, which is great. So just using my tools and then adding my balloons. And so just make sure you're subscribed to the newsletter, and the more comments, the better chance of winning. And then I will just add my other balloon, and then I'm going to embellish with some dots here, and I will list these down below, and these are always fun to use. I didn't want to use any sprinkles or anything because I already had used those, so I loved that I can also use these dots. And using different shapes here, and then I will share a close-up. And I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and thank you for joining me today. And here is a close-up. Have a wonderful day.